We're gonna slot this U-shaped window air conditioner. It's a 8,000 BTU Mieda, and since the window is supposed to go through there, but this is in the camper, I made this interface so this plugs in there, and this one has got the heavy mass vinyl, like for generators and so forth. Silence them, and then this will go in this way. And that shoves it in, should interface. Okay, it fit in at first. This fit, but I see my thing is moved here a little bit. So with another tool, shove this foam back in just a touch. Okay, that should do it. There we go. And so now it fits through here. And then I'm interfacing it with this piece. Slots over here. And now it's slotted in, so I'm just going to screw it all around, and it's got a good strong interface. Sorry if I made you dizzy.